Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell announced after the Federal Open Markets Committee meeting on January 31st that there would not be a reduction in interest rates for the month of March, as many had hoped. He did, however, indicate that interest rate reductions would be continuing or forthcoming throughout the remainder of 2024. Powell stated that inflation is still too high at 3.3%, and he's looking for a rate of 2% and a stronger showing in the labor market before reducing the prime interest rate. The prime interest rate, also known as the federal funds rate, is the amount of interest banks charge each other for overnight loans, and that amount is set by the Federal Reserve. What does this all mean for the housing market? Hi, I'm Wendy Gunter with Big River Living, brokered by Rats Realty. Interest rates affect more than just mortgage rates. They also affect the purchasing power your buyers have and what they can qualify for. And they affect the cost of the home as well, because builders and suppliers are paying higher interest rates. Despite the many gloomy predictions, however, of some analysts of an economic recession, the American economy and especially the housing market is defying those expectations. Interest rates have dropped steadily since their highest point in the third quarter of 2023 from 8% to 6 to 7 today. And according to the National Association of Realtors, pending home sales in December increased 8.3% from the month before. Data from the Mortgage Bankers Association reports new loan applications increased by 9.2% to their highest level in almost 6 months. And refinancings also rose 11% since the start of 2024. Ed Yardini Research President, stated on the Bloomberg podcast Marin Talks Money that he's expecting a combination of loose post-pandemic monetary policy and rapid technological change to drive growth higher over the next decade. He is anticipating a productivity growth boom, something akin to the Roaring 20s. The bottom line is that home buyers are still buying. People still need and will always need a place to live. On the local scene, here is the Bullhead City data. This data is pulled from RPR, Realtors Property Resource. RPR reports that there is currently 4.01 months of single-family inventory if it continues to sell at its current pace. Anything less than 7 months of inventory indicates it is a seller's market because there are more buyers than inventory to support their demand. So we are still in a seller's market. Let's take a look at the single family data and also a little bit at the vacant land data. Starting with single family. Also, this report shows the changes, from the prior month. There are 5 data categories. New listings are the listings which come into the market the month being surveyed, in this case January. So for January, the median new list price was down 2.3% from December to $327,450. The median is not the same as average price. The median is derived from taking the highest number in a group and the lowest number in a group and averaging those two numbers out. It's not the same as average. Active listings is the total of all listings on the last day of the survey month. Again, that was down from December by 1.7%. New pending listings are the listings which change to pending status in the month of January. And here is where we see green across the board. Lots of activity, and the median list price jumped 18.1% from December. Pending listings are all of the listings which are pending on the last day of the month. Again, green across the board. Sold listings is all of the listings which closed escrow in the survey month. And what does all that mean? Well, the pending data speaks volumes. The median list price increased, the number of properties on the market increased, the median cost per square foot increased, and the houses being listed got a little bit larger at 19.8% bigger, but the listings took a little longer to go to pending. Vacant land is also moving though. The median list is down from December, but that may be due to a $1.5 million commercial sale. Again, look at the pending listings median days on the market, which is down 94.4% to only 7 days. I hope this information is of value to you. I will be presenting the updated market activity monthly, so please check back to see what happens in February. See you on the streets.